welcome back to my channel. We got a guest. We got a guest. She got braids with beads or whatever. And as you can see by the title, we're doing protective styles for back to school. So if you are into this, keep watching. Make sure that you subscribe and like if you are into it, okay? This is a collaboration with Discovering Naturals. We are collaborating with my girl. While she does knotless braids on her daughter's hair, I did box braids with no added hair on my daughter's hair. So we can give you a plethora of options. You know I love that word, plethora. So stay tuned, continue watching to get all the details. We want your kids looking fly whether they're in school or not, and this is a fly look because she's a fly girl. Say hi, Naya. But they didn't hear it because it's the intro. Okay, so keep on watching. So I'm starting off on like damp hair, dry hair. I had her put her leave-in conditioner on and make braids out of it so we could stretch her hair some, as well as add some moisture to it so that the braids will be more elongated. So we are taking that down. Her hair is still a little damp, but it's not soaking wet. I added my Shar Naturals oil, so her Ayurvedic oil, to help with hair growth and keep her scalp healthy. Now I'm going to take the Ayurvedic oil and massage it into her scalp, help penetrate that hair growth and keep that scalp healthy. I am then going to go in with the Curl Shop upside down pineapple flaxseed gel. It works really well, as the upside down pineapple oil. I'm gonna work that into her hair. We're gonna detangle her hair, add the gel first, and then I'm going to add the Shar Naturals oil next to help seal in that oil. I'm gonna part her hair. I'm doing medium size because we don't have time to be taking all them braids down. She doesn't have the time. I'm gonna take my 3 pieces and I'm gonna begin braiding. As always, like any style, I make sure I'm braiding tightly. I added the gel as well so we can help with the flyaways. We don't want our hair to be all frizzy in like a couple of days. So the gel helps with that, along with the oil for the moisture, to lock in that moisture. So we are going to continue braiding her hair. As you can see, I'm just going to braid all the way down to the ends, and I'm going to do this with every section. We are using medium sections. I add a little bit more gel to the end of her hair. This also helps with elongating the braids. So if you want elongation, that helps. If you're not a gel type of girl or a light gel type of girl, then you can always use a cream, and a cream that I suggest for elongation is the Melanin Hair Care Elongating Shea Butter Twisting Cream. It works wonders. It will elongate anyway, because guess what we're gonna add to the ends of these? We are adding beads. So that's gonna help because it's gonna give it that heavy feeling, so it's going to help stretch the hair. So if you're worried about it shrinking too much, I don't think it would be that problem if you add beads to it, or if you add something that's going to help elongate it. We are using these 99-cent beads from the local beauty supply store. It comes with this little gadget right here that you add the beads to. Then what you do is you're going to add the braid, the end of the hair, to that bead holder. And then you're going to take the end of your hair and wrap it up to the top and just push those beads into that braid. You let go, you pull it out, the end of the hair, and then you take one bead, wrap the hair around that, get your rubber band, and get to putting the rubber band around that bead. And there you have it. You have your beads. We're going to continue this process throughout her hair. We have 4 braids in the back. I didn't want to do too much. Now we are here. We are at the end of braiding her hair. I add a little bit of edge control to the front because, like I said, we don't want too much flyaways. We want it to be neat. So I add the edge control like as if I was doing box braids with added hair. And then I detangle the ends and add the gel like we did before. And then I add my oil, and then we get to braiding. The front, I kind of do like cornrows a little bit at the roots so that it lasts longer. And then I continue braiding it regularly once we braid that first part to the scalp. It kind of helps the hair stay down longer when you do it that way. Y'all see these braids? Ooh, shooky now, giving me 90s vibes or whatever. Look at the camera. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. 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 I would show y'all myself, but I'm looking a little rough with my Afro puff. So we are finishing up her braids. We are not coiling the ends so much because we're putting beads on the ends. Keep your head over there. You see, I did that lightly. It wasn't hard. I'm trying not to be heavy-handed. Trying. Just a little bit. All I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it back. Hey. I don't know the rest of the words, but I think it's 50 Cent song. But yeah, we finishing this up. We're gonna add the last of the beads for the next couple of braids that I just did. We got moisture, we got braids, we got clean scalp. We got braids that can stay in here for a couple of weeks because it's a protective style with no added hair. So once again, you have two options. So we have here, we have box braids with beads that you can add to the hair, or you have what Discovering Natural did, which is knotless braids with added hair on her daughter's hair. So we gave you two options. You can either do it with added hair or with the child's regular hair, natural hair, and put some beads in it to flavor it up a little bit. And she could style it however she wants throughout the week. Just keep it oiled and refresh it with refreshing spray, aloe vera, hydrating, leave-in conditioner, and oil to seal it in to keep it nice. So we're gonna add these beads and I will be back to show you guys the finished results. Finished, as y'all can see, we got braids, we got length, we got cuteness. You so cute or whatever. So we're gonna use the oil from the Curl Shop. This is the upside down pineapple oil. It should smell really good. This is some styles and products that you could use for your kids. So we used a children's line for that. And this is just to add shine to her braids and give it that yummy children's smell. Smelling all edible. Doesn't it smell good? You can put it on your face or whatever.
Love my face.
Not on her face. Not on her face. But yeah, it has great ingredients. Great for your children to use daily on their braids with a leave-in conditioner. And we got braids. Can we do a turnaround? Show them the whole look. Slowly, yeah, give it to them. Serve the girls. Serve the girls. Yes. Keep turning. Keep turning. Smile for the camera. Cheese. Okay, so she can style it if she wanted to ponytails on the side, half up, half down, some to the side. However you may like to style it, you can style it that way. So if you like what you've seen here today, press that subscribe button right there. Leave a comment at the bottom. And if you enjoyed my girl, Discovering Naturals, make sure you follow and subscribe to her because she gives you nothing but information on her channel, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this collab and I'll see you on my next video. Say bye.